Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the issues that your Apple Music is not playing songs on your iPhone. So how you can fix that? Just follow the steps to fix that issue. The first step is just going to the settings of the iPhone and tap to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So the thing is just going to general section and just update to the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after updating your iOS version, just see that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So many apps getting the issues and sometimes glitches that aren't working. So because they don't have enough storage in your iPhone, so that's why they're getting the problem. Make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So other thing is that you're just going to scroll it down. After that, if your problem going to solve, so just click on transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset all the settings from there. After that, just go back and disconnect with your Wi-Fi again. So you have to just restart your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume up button and just force restart your iPhone. So the other step is that you just have to just going to the section of a re-download the song. So just going to the section of a music, just going to the app of music, and if you download some music, so just going to the download section and again download the music. So sometimes it's corrupted download, so are very common after update. So that's why you just have to just re-download again and delete the recent downloaded. So the other thing is that you just have to just update the latest highest version, and the other thing is to restart your network. Reset your network settings. Also, you have to reset your all the settings in the general section and said recently. So after following all these steps, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel for the more videos like that.